Metro's most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Pretty quiet night across the area, including downtown Gatlinburg, although there are some cars still at 11 o'clock, but mild temperatures for sure. We're sitting at 70 right now in Gatlinburg, pleasant there. Already 65 Crossville, Jamestown, 74 still warm in Knoxville, but everybody will cool down in the 60s by daybreak tomorrow with a few 50s thrown in for good measure, especially from the plateau up through southwest Virginia. Mainly clear, but I think there will be some patchy areas of fog, but mainly near the waterway. So the creeks, bigger rivers, lakes, things like that, just because the water temperature is a little bit warmer than the surrounding air, which is why you'll have some patchy fog form. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise, tomorrow looks like a nice day. A couple of degrees warmer than today's 85. Looking about 87 for Knoxville, Kingston, Maryville, 88 in Tellico Plains, 86 in Morristown, and 83 in Oneida. And again, a mainly sunny sky and mainly dry as well. Big dome of high pressure still in the area. That's why you see all the dark blue. That's the dry air that's in place. That's where we are now. Head into tomorrow, we start to see that moisture creep back in late in the day, but still relatively dry. Can't say that's the case by the time we get to Thursday. A lot of green showing up and eventually yellows and oranges on the way, which is extremely high moisture content in the atmosphere, so it gets more humid, and we'll start to see our rain chances go up as we go a little later in the week. And that'll start as early as Thursday. Dry start, 7 a.m., but in the afternoon, we'll start to see these clusters of storms develop. You get stuck under one of these, you can see a lot of rain in a short amount of time. And of course, there's going to be lightning with some of these. So keep that in mind if you've got outdoor plans. And very low end threat that some of these could be severe with some gusty winds. But I think the biggest concern would be the locally heavy rainfall. And then this activity slowly starts to die down once we're past sunset and getting close to the midnight time frame. As I mentioned, maybe the bigger concern more than a severe threat would be the possibility of some isolated flooding. So basically everybody has a chance. Not everybody will, but just know that opportunity is there because of all that moisture we have in the atmosphere. And we're going to do this over and over again as we go over the next several days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, similar opportunities for those showers and storms across the area. So enjoy tonight. Mostly clear, comfortable. We're down to 63, and for tomorrow, high temperature about 87, so a couple degrees warmer than today. And then those overnight lows go from low 60s to low 70s. That's how you know it's quite humid. And we'll see daytime highs into the upper 80s. So no real huge heat wave headed our way, but scattered storm chances will stay with us. I will say Sunday, it's a little less likely, especially areas north the way it's looking. But still, of the 2 days this weekend, just make sure you get out early in the days if you want to try to stay dry. Hey, stay with us. We'll have sports coming up right after the break.